Here we go. It's the Dale Carnegie 30-Day Challenge, Day 16. This is Oren Weintraub. If you've been with us since the very start, please leave a comment below and let us know what results have you created in your relationships so far using any of the principles from 1 to 15 that we have covered. If you're just learning about this challenge today, might I recommend you watch the video Dale Carnegie 30-Day Challenge Introduction, which will explain what we're doing here, and you can start today from principle number 1. Today is day 16, as I mentioned, and the principle we're applying is let the other person feel that the idea is his or hers. One example of gaining the willing cooperation in the workplace, and we'll stick with this example for today, is when we want to delegate a task or a responsibility to another team member. There are so many benefits to delegating things. It empowers others. Once they get the hang of it, they may be even better at it than we were. We are grooming others for succession planning. We're freeing up our own time, precious time, which we can now dedicate to so many other things, including other tasks that only we are qualified to handle. The list goes on. The trouble is that typically what happens within weeks, sometimes less, you will find the task or responsibility you delegated is right back on your desk where it started because you bought it back. Or worse, that it's fallen into limbo because you didn't properly hold them accountable and now everyone's forgotten about it. Either way, if either of these things happened, the bottom line is it wasn't an effective delegation to begin with. One of the key ingredients to an effective delegation recipe is that the other person feels the idea is his or hers. If they feel like it's been dumped on them, they're going to resist it like crazy. In the Dale Carnegie Leadership Training for Managers course, participants learn an 8-step delegation process that empowers and deputizes the delegate. Deputizes like they're the deputy, like making them feel important and doing it sincerely and having them own it. One of the steps in this 8-step process is create an action plan. Here's the secret. You don't create the action plan. The delegate creates the plan and then reviews it with you. This ensures that they take ownership of it from the very start, from its very conception, like it was their idea. And then they will not only cooperate, but they will be committed. And this establishes a basis for establishing accountability from the very start. And they're not only going to take it and run with it, but they're going to thank you for playing an instrumental role in their development and their career advancement and trusting them. So today, whether or not you're a manager, when you want somebody's cooperation, apply this principle. Let the other person feel that the idea is his or hers. They will run with it with ownership, and they will appreciate you for believing in them. This is Oren Weintraub with the Dale Carnegie 30-Day Challenge. Please like and share this message with the people in your circles. They will thank you for sharing this important secret to motivating others. I will see you tomorrow for Principle 17.